Recording. Please do not swear. Fun? Fun?
Fun?
Fun tool?
Yeah. Really good. It's better than hammering each time.
Oh yeah.
Know that.
3 or 4 times with it, isn't it?
Yeah, so far so good. It's weighty, but that's expected. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll still be hammering those first few. Just hammer.
Yeah. Good. Well, you can do it from this side and that side, isn't it? The last few.
That's all right.
3 to go then, on this one. 3 to go.
3.
Or do you want to put it in hand?
What's that?
If you're doing the next one, do you
Will
want
get
to
tricky. Yeah, there's nothing to say we can't go and do the next one.
do the next one up to here? Put these up?
Put them up there.
As in, just lay them flat. Lay them on top of that or something. Which one do you want to do now?
Send one, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. Let's go for it. 1107. If you leave your tool up there.
a great tool so far.
Very good. Sideways first. Very sunny. Should be 107.
Come out, is it, that nail?
Huh?
That nail's not come out.
No, no.
It's sticking up and annoying me. I'm just lining it up with this now, aren't I?
Yeah,
Around this end of this timber.
yeah.
Is that right?
I hope for the best.
Yeah,
Go for it.
that's good.
Yeah.
That should be good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so
Ooh.
what?
So they say we have to do the vents.
Huh?
Vents as well.
Yeah, because we won't get it on, will we?
Yeah. I'll go find them. What's the up there? Only the outside ones. Right, let me find the vents. Which ones do we need to put? Square vent. 16mm screws.
I assume there's 2mm gaps for like movement.
Yeah. Yes. Or expansion. 2 vents and 16mm screws.
Come back. Yeah, before. It's all the vents.
We need to put vents outside. These ones, I think. It said square vents. I think these need to go outside. So you can't do anything with them.
Yeah.
We skipped.
going? No?
We skipped the view from where.
Want some tea?
Yeah, go for it. But it seems like they're putting them inside. These square ones. These are gonna go. These are gonna be different ones.
What's the
Square.
screw from?
So touch it. And 35 screw. Guess from here and here.
16mm screw.
Yeah, which is here.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4. And then other side goes another 4.
How many vents? How many vents? All of them?
No, just outside ones.
Oh, okay. Surely we can get at those when we got the roof on. This bit of roof.
This side out. I'm thinking they're going to be. Something like that.
Yeah.
And you put screw and screw.
Easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get on. Oh, thanks. So kind of you.
Do you think you need to do... How
Is that that's not a 16mm screw, huh?
35.
It
Ah.
said 16mm.
Oh yeah, it did. Back to the drawing boards.
I'm unsure as where they go though. We don't want to screw them.
But
This
there's a...
side out.
Right, so let's crack on.
Yeah. Oh, I don't like the window here now.
Oh.
I don't like the window here now.
No. There you go, done. I'll put it up. Next. Was that where you were attaching it on the angle, was it?
What on the angle?
It goes on the end. How are you going to attach it?
I don't know, I'm working out now. This is what I went in the house for.
No, backwards. But then...
On the side.
Ah, I see. So you're not doing it on the corner, you're doing it... Yeah, yeah.
Is that for only
Do you don't do it at the end, you just do
side?
from the... yeah, on the
But that means
panels.
it's coming to the side then. Going like flush then.
Flush, yeah.
Yeah.
Look, it shows here, flush.
Where 16mm screw. Oh, we can,
These are afterwards.
yeah.
Right, let's do this one.
Flush with wall battens.
Yeah, at the outside.
Both end purlins flush with wall battens. Okay. Dimensions wise, is it still going to be the same?
Yes, hun.
140 and 190.
Yes, because it's has to be the same. Sun is coming out for us.
You stop moving it. It's just scaring me. 190 to
2 more centimetres towards me.
Is it 40, same width as that one, isn't it? Not as a post, it's going to go on the same width as this section
Yes.
here and there.
Yes. I see. So it needs to be 10mm in, is it?
Well, I'm assuming so.
Yeah.
Flush with them sectional, that said. Towards you.
Okay. Too much.
Towards me, 10-15mm. That's it. So this post,
1 second, let me measure this one. You need to eliminate the corner post extra bit, and 1 centimetre.
eliminate. What's you on about? What do you mean?
I haven't got 19 centimetres now.
Okay.
You got me?
Yeah, so it's from this one. Okay, so how about now?
Let me measure.
Should be pretty good.
Yeah. So progress so far. We've got full ceiling. Not ceiling, it's roof. Boards on. But we were caught with rain again.
Board for the felt and the membrane. Yeah, the boards for the membrane to go on top of and the felt to go on top of that. Yeah.
They're a little bit wet now, aren't they?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
might wait a little bit to see if it dries.
yeah, but it's looking good. It's amazing what we've done in the last few days, really,
Yeah,
I think.
definitely. Mine stayed half dry.
Like 4 or 5 days ago, it was really just at ground level. So we've done alright.
Here is our floor that we've done
Yeah.
so far. Foundation, you can see on another video how we did the foundation, and all the foundation is sitting on the ground screws, which is another video as you can see. So just look through the series and you'll see all the useful tips. But yeah,
probably going to be a video on the nail gun as well, because that's really good. I might even do one on the impact driver, because there's not many about that one. It's an herb hour one, which you don't see many videos about. And I don't know why, because it's brilliant. And this is a cup of tea. I'm not doing a video about this.